This chapter discusses an additional P in the marketing, place. As you can see, this doesn't say place, it says distributing goods, but distributing goods is how you're going to get it to the place where your consumers are going to buy your product. Most people don't buy products from the manufacturer. For instance, if you're going to buy a loaf of bread, you don't buy the grain from the farmer. The same thing with a car. If you buy a car, you probably don't buy it directly from GM or Ford. And so the people who actually make the products are going to use a channel of distribution, which is a group of intermediaries that help transport and get the product to market and ultimately sell the product that is produced by another organization. Here are some types of marketing intermediaries. You have agents or brokers, and they're people that bring buyers and sellers together. And then you have wholesalers. Wholesalers might buy the product from the manufacturer and then sell it to ultimately a retailer. And the retailer, such as Walmart or Albertsons, doesn't often make many of the products that they sell. They buy them from wholesalers or, in some cases, directly from the manufacturer. Brick and mortar retailing is still the most popular way that people buy products. And as you can see, there are 2.3 million retailers currently in the U.S., and that doesn't include the websites. And retailing, again, brick and mortar retailing employs over 11 million people. Retailing has competition, and some of that competition is growing. For instance, electronic retailing, such as Amazon.com, is taking a bigger and bigger chunk out of retail stores. And of course, there's telemarketers, where you are actually marketed directly over the telephone, and then there's vending machines. So retailing is the most popular, but there are other methods in which people can buy retail items. Direct selling is another non-retail method of selling. And you might have encountered, a cookie lady that comes by your workplace, or somebody that knocks door to door trying to sell you whatever magazines or who knows whatever else. But that's another method of getting your product to market. Another very popular form of non-retailing is multi-level marketing, and this is when you have people that you recruit as independent contractors, and they recruit other people, and they also sell your product as well. 31, Cincy, Amway are many examples of multi-level marketing firms. Now, there are products that are directly marketed by the manufacturer directly to the consumers, and for many years Dell adopted only this model. Now today you can actually buy a Dell directly from Dell, or you can also buy it in many consumer stores like Walmart and even Staples, but there are different products that are marketed directly by the manufacturer in a direct marketing distribution model. Logistics is the process of making sure that your products can get to markets or get to their wholesalers or retailers, or also inbound logistics would be making sure that you get the materials that you need to actually make your products. And this is rather interesting because today this slide shows you where most of your products are shipped by: trucks, trains, pipelines, ships, and air. After completing studying this chapter, you will have covered all the different P's in the marketing concept, and you'll have a good familiarity with what marketing is all about.